Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I'm back today, guys. I want to go over the comp plan for the Infinity Processing System, aka the copypastemethod.com. Go check that out. www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, so we're going to cover the comp plan. Okay, let's see, how do you get paid for this digital education system? That's what we have here. We're promoting digital education that shows you how to market on social media using pre-written ads. Okay, so let's go talk about that. Let's look at what you get with it, how much you get paid, all that good stuff. This is a great, valuable training. Okay, what I like about this is universal. Okay, these pre-written ads, all this training you get, guys, you can use to promote any business. Okay, this is how people are getting sales using social media. Some people are more experienced, so they kind of just go with the flow. They know what to say, what to do. But then there's many people that have no idea what to post, where to post, how to post. That's what you're going to get with this. But not only that, you get to learn and you get to earn by reselling these courses. Okay, this digital education. So let's see how you get paid with it. What is this all about as far as how you get paid? Okay. Well, first we want to talk about, you get this great and wonderful website. You're going to get your own customized website with your picture on it, your link to your social media. Your name is on there, so people can reach out to you if they have any questions. This is a very clear website. It gets to the point. If you read it, it's specific. It's not overwhelming with a bunch of hoopla and hype. It gets right into what it is, how it works, how you get paid. So go check it out, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, so we're going to get into the comp plan. That's what I want to get into. What you get, how much you get paid. Okay, so what you get is, you got 3 product packages here. You have the influencer brand marketing. Okay, it's only $50, guys. All right, $50 and you get all this training. Now you're going to get a website. That website is going to cost you $25 one time. There's no monthly fees with this. Okay, so you spend your $25. They're going to put your website together. You have 3 options in which you can get paid. You can list 3 payment processors. Okay, we're going to talk about that too. So with this $50 product package, the influencer brand marketing, what do you get with this? Well, you get 30 marketing ads, 20 bonus ads. You get winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion, influence, 7-day fast action plan, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, 30 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategy, Facebook support. All that, guys, for $50. And of course, the elite, okay, the elite package is the internet automation secrets. You get even more with this, even more training with this one. So let's go over that. So I'm just going to give you the additions, okay? So in addition to what you get with the $50 package, over here, you're going to get 100 pre-written ads. You're going to get 60 Facebook groups, okay? You're going to get Instagram marketing with this one. You're going to get YouTube automation. A lot of people want to know, how do I market on YouTube? You get that here, and you get how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation, how to create your 6-figure automated funnel. Okay, so even more. And remember, whatever this package is, because it's 100% commissions, this is what you will make if you sell this elite package, $150. Okay, so the pro level, which is where I am, you get even more. Now you can make $300 commissions, $150 commissions, and $50 commissions. This is instant commissions, one-time investment. Okay, and if you ever want to upgrade, you just pay the difference. Okay, but if you do not purchase the package, you will not get paid on that package. So in other words, if you come in and get the starter level and you sell an elite package for $150, you won't make a sale. That will pass up to your sponsor, okay? So position yourself accordingly, okay? Whatever your budget allow, do that so that you don't leave any money on the table, okay? So with the pro level, I'm getting 200 pre-written ads, 60 image ads, okay? I'm getting 100 places that I can post in Facebook groups, okay? That's powerful, guys. Very, 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 very powerful. I'm getting the automation email series as well. I get TikTok marketing training, live trainings. I can automate my social media growth with this powerful strategy. They have that training in here and extra bonuses on live training and extra bonus with hotel and restaurant discounts and vacation vouchers. I mean, this is a powerful package here, okay? The 6-figure blueprint. So those are the packages. Pick one, get started, okay? If you join me in the pro level, you're going to get a solo ad. You're going to get 100 extra places that you can post for free, different websites, different classified ads that you can post for free as well, okay? As well as my one-on-one support with any one of these packages you so choose to select. Now, you can get paid any way you want, whether it's PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, whatever you want. You can list up to 3 processors. They'll link those buttons for you. You have to tell them what they are, Cash App, whatever. I'll be happy to assist you with that, but it's very simple. Just send that to them. But the instructions are inside your members area. This video, actually both of these, this video right here does all the selling and telling for you. So you never have to explain this stuff. All you need to do is get people to this page, okay, your website. Let it do the selling and telling for you. As it states on here, this is nothing that you're going to get rich quick at, okay? This is training, digital training. So you put the effort forward. Everybody's work ethics is different. We don't know what yours is. So some people will make more, some will make less. There's no guarantee of sales. There's no guarantee of income. We don't know what you're going to do with the training once you get it. But I do know that the potential is here, okay, if you follow these steps. Okay, if you implement this training that they're giving you, it does work. Be consistent, pick one platform, stay dedicated to it, trust the process, stick with this stuff at least 90 days before you throw it away. Okay, because you don't want to give up on yourself. Believe in you. It's simple. People are doing this every day. Simple posts, doing a video. Just follow these steps. Pick one. Let's talk about it. Give me a call. I'll help you through this. Then this is the other video that explains which level is best for you. So watch this, make a decision, get started. Okay, now let's look at this, the potential. Again, this is not a guarantee of income. I'm just going over the comp plan with you to show you what's possible. For the $50 level, there's the show right here. Again, there's no monthly fees, one-time investment. Okay, $50 sale. If you made one sale a day, that shows the illustration of $350 a week. That's an extra $1,400 a month. Okay, and as you can see, just look at this when you get a chance. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com and check this out. So that's for $50. Okay, that's the potential of that one. But what about the elite? If you could just get one of those a day, 7 days a week, that's $1,050 a week, $4,200 a month. That's the potential. Okay, this is just an illustration. Okay, now what about the $300 sales? That's powerful. That's nothing to sneeze at. The $300 commissions, one of those a day, that's $2,100 a week. That's $8,400 a month. Okay, so this thing is very powerful if you apply the strategies. Okay, now they have on here refund policy. Make sure you read over that. It's non-refundable because this is digital products, guys. Once you get access to this stuff in your back office, it can be downloaded. Okay, so it's yours to keep. Okay, so there is no refund. This is digital education, and it's a home-based business. Everything we do involve risks. Okay, but if you apply yourself, you should be able to do these simple strategies following this here. Okay, so I'm here to help. I'm here to work with you. But do not overcomplicate this, because as you know, social media is very powerful, because most of you joined somebody in something out here, okay, in one of these platforms, whether it was Facebook, whether it was Instagram, whether it was TikTok, okay, YouTube, okay, so you know it's powerful. So now you have the power in your hand to be able to use these strategies and do the same thing that you see everybody else doing to help them make extra commissions. Now you get paid on this, but guess what? You can use these strategies to promote. Maybe you have a primary business that you're struggling with. You're not able to get leads and sales. Use these strategies, attract those people. Once they come to you and ask for more information, then you send them your link for that other program, right? So use this training to help you with that. That's what this is about. If you don't have another program, you can market this. These $300 commissions will add up. All of it adds up. $50, $150, or $300. Okay? And then people, when they upgrade, you get that commission as well. Not to mention, if people sell one of the programs that they do not own, those commissions will pass up. Okay? So it's a lot of potential earning with the copy-paste method. Okay? That's what I'm calling it. It's infinity processing training, but for me it's the copy-paste method.com, because that's what you're doing. You're copy-pasting these pre-written ads on social media. They're proven to work. Okay, that's why you're here. You joined something from one of those free platforms. Then I'm going to give you the extra 100 free places to advertise. Let me show you that real quick. Hang on 1 second here. So as you can see, this is going to be a PDF. I'm going to email this to you. This is for my pro level. For the people that join the pro level, you're going to get this. 100 places for you to advertise for free. Additional, okay, outside of the social media realm, we're going to go outside to some of these classified websites, okay, and post these ads as well. So you're getting a plethora of bonuses here, guys. So jump in, get started, get your $300 a day blueprint. Okay, get started today. It will take you, let me just say this, it takes about 2 days to get your website, okay, from the company Infinity Processing System. 2 days, and they will email you email that's going to have your link in it with your website. All right. So other than that, after that, you're ready to rock and roll. Meanwhile, though, when you join me, I will email you information to go ahead and get in your back office. So you immediately have access to your membership area. You just don't have your website yet for 2 days, because they have to create it and tie it to your payment processors. All right. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. Thanks, guys. And I will see you on the next video. Be safe out there. All right. And have a blessed day.